subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has officially launched the successor of last year launched Oppo A15 smartphone in Indonesia as Oppo A16. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A16 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate and 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A16 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.6 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A16 has been priced in Indonesia at 1,999,000 Indonesian rupees. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, pearl blue and space silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A16 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.